The International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance is engaging anti-corruption and law enforcement agencies in Nigeria on the use of beneficial ownership information geared towards enhancing their capacity in the investigation and prosecution of financial crimes. Let's get more on this from Tokwe Alabi.
Efforts to combat financial crime in Nigeria involve regulatory reforms, law enforcement collaboration, public awareness campaigns, and international cooperation. As such, strengthening anti-money laundering measures, enhancing cybersecurity, and promoting transparency are essential steps toward mitigating the risks. Engaging these anti-corruption and law enforcement agencies in Nigeria is to empower authorities on the use of information in combating financial crimes, particularly money laundering, terrorism financing, and the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction.
Ordinarily, the liability of a company lies with that company.
Nigeria has undertaken positive steps to increase its risk understanding, and authorities have demonstrated a broad knowledge of the types of money laundering risks facing the country. These experts believe should be sustained for optimal results.
And wherever we find ourselves, we should be thinking of how we're going to make our own BO data to fuse with all the other layers of data that are available.
Coming out from the mutual evaluation process which was conducted on Nigeria, 80 different recommendations were made, and those recommendations are just key actions that different agencies need to take to improve their transparency, to improve their integrity in the way they manage public funds and in the way they try to deter criminal enterprise within their countries.
Drug trafficking being an international organized crime, you have a lot of people, the main actors that actually benefit from the crime, actually hidden behind. And so usually when you start arrest or you start investigation, you start dealing with the lower criminals. And so it's very important that you identify those people that are behind those corporate bills and bring them together. That's why we are happy today that we're part of this issues of beneficial information. We work very closely with all the relevant government agencies.
As a fundamental aspect of the rule of law and anti-corruption ROLAC program of the European Union under the International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance IIDEA in Nigeria, these insights provided by this forum is expected to create coordinated systems for effective investigation and prosecution of financial crimes. In Abuja, Tokwe Alabi, NTA News.